Introducing Dory, the smallest, most portable and affordable underwater drone ever. We're bringing the underwater world to the surface for everyone. We are chasing that mystery, chasing adventure, chasing new discoveries. 2 years ago, we took you exploring with Gladius, a campaign that resulted in over 1,600% funding and 100% delivered to backers. From there, we successfully brought Gladius Mini to market, winning the Red Dot Product Design Award. Now, with Dory, we're making waves all over again with its small size, premium features, and surprisingly low price point. Dory connects the aquatic world to the masses, so serious adventurers and fun seekers can explore both in and out of the water. The genius of Dory lies in its compact size and portability. There's no bulky remote, meaning less gear to haul. Instead, you simply control Dory with your phone using the intuitive Chasing Dory app. You may wonder, who was Dory made for? Well, lots of people. The person who loves bringing technology and family together. Dory makes it easy for anyone to use, even kids. And of course, adventure seekers are all about Dory. With Dory in your backpack, there truly are no boundaries. Dory is ideal for those who love to share their adventures on social media. The ability to easily post and live stream makes it a win-win for people who want to capture the moment for all their friends and followers to see. We, at Chasing, are enormously proud of the technologies packed into this small form factor and the features and benefits they provide. Depth Lock lets you dive and remain at the precise depth you want so you can either idle or cruise with maximum stability. 45-degree tilt lock mode mimics the up and down movement of the human eye, providing the perfect angles to scan the ocean floor or peer up at the crystal water above. But let's dive deeper. With its hydrodynamic design and shark-like precision, Dory can reach depths of over 49 feet. And with two built-in 250 lumen lights, you can find and capture exactly what you're looking for. The high-end camera has a 100-degree field of view for expansive photos and video. And its f1.6 wide aperture lens is ideal for low-light situations. With 8 gigabytes of storage capacity, you'll have plenty of room to store your adventures. We focused on the end-user experience first. So, unlike other underwater drones, you only need to charge the Dory itself, not the Wi-Fi buoy or a remote. This means less time spent charging and more time exploring. Dory is packed with technology designed to guide and enhance your experience. Its 3-axis gyro, accelerometer, compass, and calibration system keep you positioned perfectly for all your voyages. Small, simple, smart. That's what makes Dory unique. With your pledge, you'll receive the drone, tether, Wi-Fi buoy, and charger. We even created an optional waterproof Dory backpack with customized internal compartments. Its unique shape, quality materials, and waterproof zipper perfectly match the attention to detail given to its cargo. Earth's last frontier is no longer uncharted territory. With Dory, it's in full, glorious view and commanded by you. Join us and explore the next generation of aquatic wanderlust. Join the chase. Chasing Dory.
The BW Space Pro is equipped with Sony 4K Prime Lens HD camera. Capture impressive 12MP photos with a 1.7 CMOS sensor that features a viewing angle of 130 degrees and an aperture of f1.4. Image stabilization and digital defogging technology can help capture. The image stabilization and digital defogging technology can help capture clearer underwater images. The 1380*2 lumens LED lights can intelligently fill light according to natural light strength underwater. The advanced Wi-Fi base station with NEMO system adopts multi-channel transmission technology that provides a strong and stable signal. Transmission rate, up to 433 megabits per second, 5G. Transmission distance, 100 meters underwater with low latency. The The automatic depth detection function allows the drone to hover steadily at any depth underwater and rotate freely 360 degrees in the horizontal direction. Precise motion control algorithms and powerful motors allow it to tilt up to 45 degrees to shoot flexibly, enriching underwater shooting perspectives.
Introducing the world's first omnidirectional underwater drone. FIFISH V6 leverages its patented smart thruster array that fully unleashes the user's creativity to explore and film without limits. The V6 can also rotate in 360-degree flips, rolls, and pivots. Its innovative posture lock function allows the user to perform a combination of movements while locked in a particular angle. Equipped with an all-innovative stabilization system, FIFISH V6 is the ultimate underwater drone. Integrated with all new VR functions and FIFISH's head tracking mode, put yourself into the first-person view of the drone and control what you want to see simply by turning your head. FIFISH V6 delivers a 166-degree wide-angle field of view, paired with 4K UHD image quality, enhancing the colorful and vivid details of the aquatic world. Geared with 4,000 lumen LED lights, FIFISH V6 brings you remarkably vibrant underwater content with different levels of adjustable brightness. Our integrated app allows you to share stunning underwater content across multiple display and social media platforms in real time. The HDMI input from the controller can be used for live streaming activities on various platforms. FIFISH V6 is equipped with an advanced sonar system used for the mapping of sea floors. The V6 is built to handle a wide range of applications ranging from industrial tasks such as safety inspections and aquatic farming, or commercial uses such as filming and photography. Trust the V6 to perform these activities with ease and excellence. From professionals to enthusiasts, FIFISH V6 gives you the eye to explore the aquatic world with endless potential and possibilities. FIFISH V6. Escape to the ocean.